Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw Shiba Inu coin to bank account. It's quite easy to get this done. Open up your centralized exchange, and the centralized exchange we're going to be working with for today's video is Binance. So you could simply send your Shiba Inu from either your MetaMask, Trust Wallet, any wallet of your choice or exchange over to the centralized exchange Binance. And with the Binance platform opened up, click on the deposit icon here, which is at the top of the screen. Once you've selected the deposit option, simply type in Shiba Inu or search for Shiba Inu. Make use of any of the networks that are listed here. Once you've selected the network that you wish, copy the wallet address and send the Shiba Inu over to this address. Now, with the Shiba Inu on your wallet, please make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, simply head over to the wallet section at the bottom right, and from the overview, scroll to your spot or funding wallet, depending on where the Shiba Inu is stored. And if you check your spot wallet, you'd find it there. If it's on your funding wallet, better. So now all you need to do to sell the Shiba Inu is quite easy. Simply head over to the home section, click on the convert icon here, and where we have spot wallet, enter the amount of Shiba Inu you wish to sell, click on the meme coin, and simply search for USDT. Click on the Tether USDT, enter the amount of Shiba Inu you wish to sell, click on preview conversion, and click on convert. Please make sure you send a good amount of the SHIB. And once you've confirmed the swap, head over to the wallet section, the USDT here, click on the transfer option, enter the amount, and click on confirm transfer. We've successfully transferred our USDT from the spot to the funding wallet. Please make sure you get your USDT from your spot wallet to the funding. Now on the funding wallet, click on the P2P option that's displayed. Once you've selected P2P, we're going to be selling our USDT via the P2P, so your account must be verified. Click on the sell option and scroll down and select the merchant who has a verified badge by their name. Click on the sell, enter the amount of USDT you wish to sell, and then simply click on payment method. Now your payment method can be gotten from the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, where you can simply click on add payment method and simply add the payment method based on your region. So back at the sell USDT option, click on the sell, enter the amount you wish to sell, enter this payment method, and then simply click on sell USDT. So guys, that's how you can simply withdraw the Shiba Inu coin to your bank account. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.